boys and girls. I'm so glad that you've joined us for some fun in the kitchen. Today, we have some special helpers. Why, we have Mr. Levi.
Hi.
And we have Miss Nicole. And we have Miss Shiloh. And we have Mr. Ben.
Hello.
Oh, who likes to be in the kitchen cooking?
Me.
Oh, good. Boys and girls, do you like to cook? Oh, you're going to have fun today. Because guess what?
What are we making?
We're going to be making cinnamon pecan pinwheels.
Yummy.
Who knows what a pinwheel is? You do? What's a pinwheel,
The
Levi?
thing that you blow on.
Oh, well, it's going to be similar to that because it's going to kind of look like we're going to roll it up and then slice it, and you'll see it look like little pinwheels, okay? You ready, boys and girls? Okay, so each of you have some crescent dough. So here's what you're going to do. You're going to find the corner. See the arrow right there? Okay, you see the arrow, and you're going to start it like this. And pull it off. Oh, it's a little tricky.
All the way?
Pull it all the way off.
All right.
And then, oh, this is a fun part. Guess what you get to do?
Before.
Bang it.
Bang
You get to
it.
bang it on the go like hit it like that. Oh, see, I'll help you. Look. Oh, and it popped out. Okay.
Hey, Cinda.
Look.
It's like a squiggly diggly wall.
There. Now I want you to find the seam. See the seam right here? And let's move your utensils. Let's carefully
Can I put
unroll
this in
it.
the garbage?
How are you doing? Yes, can you do that for me? You can collect all of them, Ben. There, we're going to carefully unroll it like this. How are you guys doing over here? You want me to help you? Oh, good job. Can you carefully, Shiloh, unroll it like this? Okay, let's help you, Nicole. There you go. Now find the seam. See how the seam's right here? Can you see that, boys and girls? Can you see the seam? And let's move your utensils and carefully unroll it. Keep unrolling it. You want me to help you, Levi? Oh, Levi, let's. Whoa! What did we do? Okay, so you got to hit it pretty hard, boys and girls. Okay, now you find the seam. I'll come help you. Find the seam.
Okay.
Say, boys and girls, you're going to find the seam. Thank you, Mr. Ben. Thank you. Okay. Roll it, unroll it. You want to unroll it all. And then you want to press the seams together. See how there's perforations here? So go like this and press the seams together. How are you getting yours, Ben? Here you go, Shiloh. There, so go like this. You're welcome. You're welcome.
It's like dough.
It is dough, isn't it?
Yeah. It looks like it's big when you roll it.
You think so? I
Yeah.
think it does too.
Yeah.
But it doesn't anymore, does it? No. Okay, see how I'm pinching this? Can you do that? Can you push this together like this?
Cinda, it's sticky.
I know, and you got to be careful, boys and girls, because it's sticky. So, Levi, can you press your seams together? You want to make them press all these together. Good job, Nicole. You're doing awesome. Here, Shiloh, let's push. Get all your, boys and girls, you want to get all the seams pressed together so we don't have any holes in them, okay? Because we're going to put some yummy filling in it, and you don't want that filling to fall out.
Are we going to make the filling?
Well, yes, we are.
Cool.
And you'll see. It's very, very easy.
But it looks yummy.
It looks yummy. Okay, got yours done. Okay, so now what you guys are going to do, a little bit of you got seam there. Good job, Nicole. Okay, now get your paintbrushes. And what you're going to do, this is some margarine, so share your margarine. So what I want you to do is dip your brushes in the margarine and brush your top of your pastry. You want to help you, Ben? There we go.
Mine's going slow.
That's okay. You were helping collect everybody's trash, so we'll help you. How's that? There. Good job. Okay, get your paintbrush. Good job, Shiloh.
What are we going to do?
'Kay.
Oh!
Yes, we're going to paint. Did you ever think you'd be painting in the kitchen with food?
No.
It's kind of fun, isn't it?
My mom's done this once.
She has?
Uh-huh.
I never done it before, but now I am.
Yeah, is it fun? Oh,
It's really fun.
oh, good.
Thank you,
Okay,
Miss Cinda.
you're welcome. Get it all over here. You want to cover it. Good job, Nicole. You need some more, a little bit more over here, Nicole. And let's see, you need to get more over here. And let me spread your dough out for you, Levi, a little bit. There you go.
Miss Cinda,
What?
it doesn't want to stay on here.
It doesn't. Okay, get it all covered
so I kinda
real
have
good.
To do it like a spoon.
That's okay. That's pretty smart. Can you get over here, Shiloh? Boys and girls, does this look like fun?
Yeah,
This
awesome.
is really fun.
Oh, and okay, you get a little bit here and a little bit here. Okay, now what you're gonna do is get your measuring cups. And boys and girls, you don't have to be exact on your measurements with this recipe, and that's kind of what's really fun about it. But you're gonna take about a fourth a cup. So take about a fourth a cup of your brown sugar.
All right.
And see how I leveled it off?
Is it a fourth
Here, let me get
cup?
yours over here for you
Is this
guys.
the fourth cup, Miss Cinda?
Yes, sir. And you know what, Ben? I want you to look, and boys and girls, that was a very good question of Ben's. He was wanting to know if this was a fourth a cup. And how you tell if it's a fourth of a cup, you see how it has 1/4? That's a fourth a cup.
And one
Okay?
Where
I'm
you
going to
put
put
it?
your seams.
Where
Okay,
you
put
put
it in the middle.
Right here.
Uh-huh. And now take your fingers and just go like this and spread it around. So take your fingers, and if you need a little bit more brown sugar, you can do that. So you want to take your fingers and gently
Miss
spread it
Cinda,
all over.
Could I maybe spread it out with this?
If you want, it might be kind of hard with a spatula on. Really, your fingers work the best.
Oh.
You put it down in the middle. Just dump it in, and now use your fingers and spread it out. Good job, Levi. Does it taste good? Okay, can you spread some more like this? Good job. You can use
need
both
more.
hands, Shiloh, and
I
I'm going
need
to give you a
more.
little bit more.
All right.
Do you guys need a little bit more brown sugar? Okay, spread
Yeah,
it
I
out. You
just
can use
got
both
some
hands,
more.
Shiloh.
Okay.
Use this hand too. There you go. And spread it all over here. Look,
right.
Shiloh. Shiloh, can you spread it all over here too? Let's see how you guys are doing. Oh, Levi, that's perfect. You
Miss
might need
Cinda.
a little bit more right there.
Cinda.
You want to put a little bit more right there? Yes, Ben?
Cinda.
Well, yes, Shiloh? Oh, good job. Can you put it some right here? See, move this right
Miss
here.
Cinda, look. I need to get.
You're
little
doing
bit
good.
more
Here you go.
there.
How are you doing, Nicole? How about just a little bit more for you too? Okay, now when you get that, I want you to take your cinnamon, your bottle of cinnamon, and shake some cinnamon all over it. There's cinnamon. Here's your cinnamon.
Ooh, it sticks. to
Oh,
my
that's what you have a
fingers.
towel for.
All right.
Let's go like this, Shiloh. Look at that. Look at that. And now you can use your towel. There you go. Now, Ben, you want to shake some cinnamon all over yours, and then we'll give it to Shiloh to shake. Here, while she's spreading this. Here, Shiloh. Whoa, this one.
Whoa, this one just likes to pour out at first.
Make sure, boys and girls, you get the shaker, because Miss Cinda took the whole cap off. There you go. Shake some cinnamon evenly all over it.
Look.
Whoa, let's help you here, Shiloh. How about let's go like this? See, you can hold it up and just, kind of like rain. Is it raining cinnamon?
Yeah.
The raindrops fall with the pitter, pitter, pat. Okay, here, Ben. Oh, or here, Nicole, you can spray yours. Shake it all over. You can use your towel, sweetie. There you go. Okay, Levi, you might want to take your fingers and spread that around a little bit. It's fun to work with our hands, isn't it? And you can take yours, you can even take a spoon, Shiloh, and go like this. Let's spread that cinnamon out a little bit. Now when you get the cinnamon, boys and girls, you're going to put the nuts on, okay? So you can get your measuring cup and measure some nuts on. Here,
1/4?
Shiloh. Yeah, well, you know what? You can put as many nuts as you want. You don't want to get too much because then you won't be able to roll it, okay?
Yeah, because
Oh, let's go like this. Let me show you. See how I just shake it? See how it's raining cinnamon?
Miss Cinda.
Yay! It's raining cinnamon.
Grandma,
Okay.
it's raining nuts.
Oh, you're raining nuts now. You might want to use your cup.
Except
Okay? You can use your cup too. Here you go. You want to use
Miss
your cup and put
Cinda.
some nuts on? Yes?
Miss Cinda, my mom used to put applesauce on top of this.
Now that's a good idea. You could do that too, boys and girls. You could add some other things too if you wanted. Okay, spread them all out, Shiloh. Go like this and spread them
I'm
all
just gonna
out.
keep mine like that.
Now, boys and girls, we're almost ready. Oh, you want more
Are
nuts
we gonna
on
roll
yours,
it up?
Levi?
Are we gonna
Now,
roll it up?
yes, we're gonna roll it up.
The whole
Let's
thing?
you got to spread your nuts out, Shiloh.
Okay.
How about spread some little bit more nuts there?
Can I roll it up now, Miss Cinda?
Yes, and let me show you on Ben's. You guys can watch. Nope, we're gonna roll it the long way. Okay, come stand over here. So you're gonna start like this. Get the first part. See how I'm doing this, kids? And then do the long way. Nicole, you're gonna need some more nuts, hon. Okay, see how and then I'm gently lifting it up like this.
Oops.
That's
There's a
okay.
hole.
That's okay. We'll press it together when you feel that. When you see that and feel it, just press it together. Okay, see how I'm lifting it up a little bit? Lift it. Oh, you're going to have to pinch those together.
Cinda?
Yes, Shiloh. Would you like me to help you?
Sure.
Okay, there. Let's move all this. Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
Okay. We'll put this in it. Okay, let's help me roll like this. Can you go like this? Boys and girls, can you see how we're doing this? We're rolling. Good, you can use two hands, Shiloh.
Miss
You use
Cinda, it
both your
keeps
hands,
falling
Shiloh.
apart.
Hey,
It's
can
falling
you-
apart.
Let me help you. Keep going, Shiloh. You want to keep it even.
it's
You know
gonna
what? Go
start-
like this. It's okay.
It's getting
Just-
the hole.
Oh, that's okay. Press it together. Press it together. See how I'm pressing it together as I'm rolling it?
Oh. Like that, Miss
See how I'm
Cinda?
pressing it?
It's not
See, I'll
dirty.
press that together too.
Miss Cinda, like that?
Yes.
I
And
do it
now,
with a towel.
there you go. Oh, that's our timer. We better hurry. We're almost out of time. Okay, now what you're going to do is you want to cut it into about 2-inch pieces. Oh, just 1 minute. I'll help you.
Okay.
Let's get yours rolled. Can you roll yours, Nicole? You want me to help you get started?
Miss Cinda, do I cut it now?
Yes. Now what you're going to do is cut it in, no, not that way, Ben. Cut it this way. So boys and girls, here's what you're going to do. You're going to gently cut like this and about that big, see?
Oh,
And you gently saw back and forth. And then when you're going to lift it up, let me get our cookie sheet. And I've got some parchment paper here. Let me just set this up here. There. And then you gently lift it up like this, Ben. Let me show you.
oh, can we
Oops,
do
it's
now?
falling apart.
It's okay. Look, gently lift it up like
I
this.
can't do
And
anything,
then
Miss
put it
Cinda.
right on your sheet like that. See?
Oh,
Wow.
Isn't that cool? And guess what? Miss Cinda has some in the oven. And you can try one. I left them in the oven so they'd be on warm. So they're not real hot. Oh, that's all the time we have for now, boys and girls. Just remember, anytime you can be in the kitchen, it's fun.
Uh-huh.